doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
What up, guys? Oh, let me turn it down. What up, guys? So I don't really look too much better than when I came to y'all before, but brush my teeth and stuff. So I have packaged orders. Can you guys see all those? So I'm at the post office getting ready to drop them off, and we will see how this goes. What up, though? So it's day 2. It is Tuesday. I don't know if you guys can hear the traffic. Like, I live in the country, so I'm not used to like being able to hear cars all the time. Like, it's kind of weird to me. So it is day 2. Yesterday was not as productive as I wanted it to be, you guys. Like, I kind of feel like I failed a little bit. So today I'm gonna go all out. Like, I didn't do my makeup. I like barely did my hair. It's just, I don't know. Quarantine life is not for me. It's just not. So I have orders that I told Misha I would help her pack today. And then I'm also working. So I have my work computer here. So I'm getting ready to move my entire station into the living room so I can kind of do work and pack orders at the same time. But I think I'm going to do my hair and my face first because I have some Zoom meetings later and I need to look presentable for that. So yeah, we're gonna get ready and then we're going to try and pack some orders. Then and work at the same time because, you know, I am working from home. Anyways, also I'm gonna try and tackle my to-do list today. That's the goal. That is the goal. What up, though? So y'all, these edges, so disrespectful. I think I'm like 2 months post relaxer, so I'm kind of like due for another one here soon. I'm trying to wait until my extensions get here because I always like to do like super fresh relaxer straight into extensions. That way I get the most wear out of them, because when my hair gets super curly at the roots, it's like it is not the business whatsoever. But I'm just working and listening to YouTube videos because, of course, I like to have something on in the background. I forgot to vlog earlier, and I forgot to vlog last night. I'm a terrible vlogger. But anyways, I actually went and picked up some more stuff, some more packaging supplies, because we knocked out 15 orders last night, which doesn't sound like a lot, but when I tell you it was so much work trying to get them into the post office, like both of us had to go today to take them to the post office because it was a lot. And we still have 70 orders left to go. So Amisha actually went to get more supplies so that she can make some more stuff, because she's kind of doing the whole make everything and then I'll package it for her. But we're doing that, so we're going to try and knock out as many orders tonight as possible. And I actually just got off the phone with my advisor for Grad. Well, it's a Zoom meeting, but my advisor for grad school. So if you guys didn't know, I think I said it in one of my vlogs, but I've decided to go back to school for my master's degree. And I'm very nervous about this situation because, yeah, it's just, yeah, I'm kind of nervous. So I just met with him and I signed up for 3 courses. I don't know if it's going to be too much for me or if, you know, I don't know. We'll find out. We will find out today, or not today, but we'll find out in January when I start. But I'm kind of excited.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But This is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
What's up, guys? Okay, so I went crazy at Dollar Tree, like legit. It's like self-care in a bag here. Okay, so they have like a bunch of stuff in this Dollar Tree down here. So if you guys didn't know, I think I covered it earlier in the vlog, but I'm staying here with my sister. I've been here for the entire week because she had a huge Black Friday sale and a bunch of orders came in, so we had to bag them all up. And you guys saw some of that footage earlier today, or earlier in the vlog. So I went to Dollar Tree to get some stuff because I hadn't anticipated being here a full week, but it has been so much fun. Like, wouldn't change anything at all about it. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So this is like in not any particular order. The first thing I got was this random thing, which is like hydrating milk serum with blackberry and lily. A concentrated formula targets acne prone skin for smooth results. It's supposed to be some kind of milk serum, so I got that. I got a loofah. I got some cotton balls because I'm getting ready to give myself a pedicure while I'm down here. I got a brush because these edges are incredibly disrespectful. Okay. I got some soap just to try out. I don't know if I'm gonna like it or not, but yeah. I got some edge control because, again, edges disrespectful. I got this because I do want to try, I want to see if it like works. I mean, it came from Dollar Tree, so I don't know, but also because it's like really liquidy, so I think it would be really good with tape and extensions because those are coming back very soon. And so I just thought that this might work better than, of course, you can't put oils in your hair, so I thought this hair tonic, which is, sorry, I didn't even tell you guys what it is, but it's the scalp tonic with organic quinoa and pea sprout, scalp to strand care for thin and thinning hair, thicker, fuller hair, which I don't really have thin hair, nor is it thinning, but I just wanted something to like moisturize and hopefully like help to grow my hair. So I figured if it would thicken, I don't really need it to thicken it, but if it'll help it grow, like that would be great. I got a brightening eye cream that has coffee and green tea. Look awake and refreshed with a burst of concentrated hydration. From that brand, I also got this jelly facial balm enriched with vitamin E for super smooth, clean skin. I think this is like to wash your face with. Yeah, apply onto wet skin and rinse clean. I got a bath pad. I got a mirror because I need one to keep in my purse and I don't have one. I got some shaving gel because I'm wearing a dress tomorrow and I needed this. Then I got two different lipsticks because I'm wearing a red dress tomorrow and I didn't know how like either of these colors, but I really want to try one out. Let's see, chapstick. I got a foot file again for the pedicure situation. I got some razors, some hair lotion because my hair is dry. I got a polishing cloth for washing my face, a facial brush for exfoliating, a really cute nail polish color. I'm really into nude. Some nail polish remover to take off the current color, deodorant because of course it's deodorant, and then another lip balm. Wait, oh no, that's not all. And then I got a lip scrub, make sure that's still sealed, and a foot scrub. So yes, that's everything. I'm getting ready to hop in the shower and come out smelling fresh as a daisy, and I'm excited. Yeah. All right.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh.
What up, guys? Okay, so future me or regular me, I don't know. Anyways, so I realized I forgot to film a outro for the vlog. We got all of my sister's orders out, thankfully. It was a lot. I think she looked and we had done like 127 orders. So yeah, plus that's not even counting like the ones that like local pickup. So it has been a very stressful week, but I'm excited. Today is Sunday, so we're gonna start a new week today and a new vlog today. We got our Christmas program. I may try and fit some of that in maybe this vlog, maybe the next one, probably this one. I guess I can try and get a little bit of footage in this one. I just filmed a plan with me because I'm like incredibly overdue for one of those on my channel. So I filmed one finally, and I did it on my new iPad Pro, and I need to go through today and kind of like get my week started because I want to try and be more organized for the next few weeks, at least to close out 2020 and kind of try and start 2021 on a good note. So I'm gonna go through and plan things out for the rest of this year. But I will talk to you guys in my next video.